called a saint.
Hey, used to be where I could only trust me and myself, and then that heavy metal devil that would send them straight to hell with it. Thought it wasn't no helping it. Selfishness was celibate, I sell a bit, but I make sure I don't sit up in that cell a bit. Yell a bit, only when hurt came for certain. Illiterate ain't know that the word came. Then that word hit me and I'm blind to me. Jesus paid a price for me, that's how I gained the right to be the son of God I like to be. Changed my heart, gave me a desire for his work. Man, kill me if you want, but I'm gonna get back up out that dirt. Man, not yet what I'm gonna be, but not what I used to be. I bless his name forever. Who would choose me and start using me? Used to love my sin, full of greed, full of hate. I might say that I love Jesus, but that talk was really fake. I be lusting for your cousin if it wasn't for his grace. Yeah, he took me out of nothing and he made your boy safe. Yeah, they tell me sugar-coated, dumb and down, but I can't. Might as well deny the Christ, be ashamed, but I ain't. I'm a saint, 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 I'm a saint. Till the day I see the grave, I'm going hard in the paint. It's the only hope we got, that's why I die for the faith. I'm a saint, 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 I'm a saint. You got to understand, Jesus agreed back in eternity to sign a bloody covenant and take a daily turn from me. He ain't just agreed, fulfilled it into the death of him. Took that bloody cup that's meant for us straight to the neck and yeah, swallowed all that bitterness, pain and affliction. Ain't a soul in hell with pain comparable to this one. Brought me to repentance, homie, I'm blood purchased. Daily I'm conformed to his holiness, so I worship. Jesus finished the work, he resurrected on high. That means that it beat death, and best believe so will I. See, some believe they can fly, but I believe I can die. Resurrect, lead the earth, and live forever with God. He will march through the sky while the stars sing his praises. Planets dance around while the universe is amazing.